Looking to make some extra cash in Dubai without leaving your current job? The showdown between Shopify and Amazon might just influence how quickly you can start raking in money online. With Shopify, you get to run your own show, create your own online shop, showcase your brand, and sell to customers all around the globe. But there's a catch. You have to bring in your own visitors and earn their trust right from the ground up. On the flip side, Amazon is like having a storefront in the heart of Dubai's busiest shopping center. There are tons of shoppers ready to buy, but you'll also deal with fierce competition, fees, and some pretty strict guidelines. So, which option is better for making part-time money in Dubai? Shopify gives you the freedom to create but requires a bit of patience. Amazon offers immediate access to customers but comes with less control over your sales process. The savvy entrepreneurs, they tap into both using Amazon for quick sales and Shopify for building a brand over time. In my next video, I'll share a simple 3-step plan to kick off your online selling journey from Dubai. Even if you've never sold anything before, you won't want to miss it.